All right, guys, this one, it was going back and forth, many months, right? It's gonna be something different today, right? I used to ride my bikes around like 40 to 50 miles per ride per day. This young powerhouse was challenging me with the electric bike, catching me up, but only my rule, it's gonna be just a pedal assist electric side. I'm not gonna let him all the way go to the throttle. This bike is gonna go to around like 50 miles. Now the top speed is gonna be 28 miles. So I average like 15 to 18 miles when I'm cycling. So it's gonna be way faster than what I cycle, but we're gonna do it, right? Can you catch up? Can you do it? All right, let's do it. What the hell, bro? What happened with your bike? What is this? Your tube is sticking out. And your tire is worn. Yeah, so we gotta fix. You gotta fix this. Okay, 5 a.m. in the morning. This boy is working on his tires. So tire he ordered. This is factory e-bike tire, and the sides are very thin. That's why I get destroyed. Now this one's a lot thicker on the sidewalls. A lot thicker. And the upside also is way thicker than the factory tire right here. So we're gonna mount it and we're gonna see. Bro, what are you doing with your bikes?
Moving here, you gotta take the tires off.
That's a lot of work you have to do. Alright, couple things he doesn't know. Alright, we take a new route, and I have my pre-workout in my water bottle. He doesn't know that. He took only the regular water, and he thinks it's gonna be faster, right? Woo. Long time at pedal, guys. No throttle, just a pedal, right? Okay, it's another test fit. Even the small e-bike can fit. Mounting is super easy, right? You just push the bike up, and this one, we're gonna lift it, and it ties right around one pull tie, right? Now, this part, you just throw it, you hook here, and pull it down. That's it. Front also sits like that. You pull down, push it, that's it. Doesn't go nowhere. All right, second bike. Alright, very bumpy road. Oh, yeah. It's stable, very nice and stable. I like it. What I like this rack, look at this, super easy to unmount the bike, right? 1, 2, right, 3. That's it. Bike is off the rack already. Not a lot of tight downs, all that stuff. You're 1, 2, 3. It's the exactly same way you're gonna load it. Super nice. One thing I was concerned about, this part is coming too close. That's why I put the rack here, right? But I thought it's gonna touch the glass and it's gonna break, but it's not. It didn't break. It stays very stable, didn't move at all. And that's it. I'm gonna remove it now. Another great option, they think about it. As you can see, you have a lock pin here, right? You pull this part, you pull it here, all right? And you just store your rack flat and nice on the top. It's gonna be locked someplace, doesn't go nowhere. No, I'm on the highest gear, so it only starts activating once I get Are you ready? I have a multiple expensive bike mounts, but nothing come close to this one. Build quality, adjustability, and fittability for the bikes, right? I have a, as you can see, the fat tire bike, and everything is told, everything is designed the best scenario. Only 11 bolts and nuts needs to put assembled together, right? 4 bolts and nuts, as you can see here, the same size on the both sides, 2 here, 2 here, on the 2 here, 2 on that one. Super easy to build, super easy to put together, right? Instruction manual, it was super easy to read, and it took me 20 minutes, right? Only 2 long bolts and nuts, it goes here and here, that's it. And the 2 same size bolts goes to these sticks. Other than that, everything is fit, and the 1 large bolt, it's gonna goes here, bolt and nut, and you just mount it and you enjoyed it, right? Look at the quality, it's all aluminum built. All these mounts, it doesn't matter what kind of the bike you're gonna fit, it's gonna be adjustable. You move back and forth, all right, where's the tires. And these parts, as you can see, extra long to have large or the super small tires. Even they put the rubber small the bushings here, so you're not gonna scratch your tires, right? This part is like a game changer, guys. So you're gonna just lift it, you throw this, pull it, that's it, it's gonna stay there. As you can see, also it's a soft rubber materials. You're not gonna scratch your expensive bikes. Same thing here. And also it goes up and down, you're gonna adjust those stuff. Like guys, when they designed this, actually sit down, I think this is the generation 5th or 7th, because in one seat you cannot design this kind of mounts, right? So they're gonna have multiple different rocks. You can off-road with this. As you can see on the highway, it's like 80 miles, 75 miles per hour. I was riding, it was a super solid. I can mount 2 exactly same heavy electric bike, and it's gonna stay there without any issues. Look at this, right? I'm over 215 pounds, but this thing's rock solid. Oh, damn! So, yeah, Rockland edition. This one is a Rockland edition, right? I'm glad I got this one. So what I can say, all the links on description. Hope I'm gonna put a lot more content, and I will enjoy a lot more the bike. Uphills. Oh, these uphills, they killed me. Oh my god. No power. I used to take a rest. I snatched this bike, and this is nice. Oh my god, it's so comfortable. And as soon as I touch the, oh yeah, I almost crashed it. No, it feels good. Even the speed too. It's 32. Bottom, I'm not finished. Ball for sure. Oh yeah. This is 2. I can't imagine what this is. I told you I'm gonna win. I told you I'm gonna win. You have no chance, I told you. You have 0. Even the bike is 3 times expensive. You have 0 chance, bro. I'm not touching the throttle. I'm coming right behind you. Not anymore.
So basically, my dad thought that I wouldn't be able to beat him in that electric bike, but he's just finding out that too bad for him, he got trusted. They start adding up after a while. Your legs start to burn up. Oh, I don't know how he got in front of him. Somehow, I guess he just like going on 1 speed. We just got lucky.
Alright, this is all we have in the box. As you can see, detailed instruction manual, all the frames and all the screws, parts here. So it's gonna take around like 20 minutes to put it all together, and I'm gonna show you end result. Instruction manuals is nice and detailed, so very easy to build together. What surprised me, all the bolts and nuts anti-corrosion coated, so I think it's gonna last many years.
Before this, I used to remove front tire from my bike, load inside the bike, and the two bike on the bike rack. It's like a lot of headache. The fat, heavy bike we didn't take out a lot of times. Now I'm gonna just slide this, hide that, load the bikes, and hit the park and enjoy the life, right? Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.